Then who among the following thinkers is known for realism and international relations? So very famous, and Morgenthau. So Morgenthau is famous for that. Now read about Cohen and the book Joseph Nye Soft Power, Immanuel Wallerstein Systems Theory. So 1, 2, 3, you have now again work, pause the video, go through who is Robert Cohen, Joseph Nye and Immanuel Wallerstein. Then you can understand how to tackle the questions that which are not detailedly mentioned in the syllabus. Now SARC was founded in which year? Here you can rule out. So not 91. 91 we were busy with liberalization. Not 65 because 65 we had war. Not 1950. Why? Because we didn't even had basic elections were not conducted yet. So the rule out option would be 1985. And for that to rule out, you should know what is SARC. So go through the international organization lecture, you can understand. And SARC declaration also, how many countries, when was Afghanistan was added, was it a part of the original SARC or was it laterly added? So please go through. And two superpowers during Cold War, this anybody can answer. So USA and Russia. There's nothing much to debate here. And which of the following is not a key feature of India's Act East policy? Now here, see, options seem to be very easy, okay? To boost its economic and strategic security, to develop strong relations between Indo-Pacific nations, to emerge as a regional superpower, to secure access to capital, technology and markets. Here the rude option would be to emerge as a regional power. For that, see, Act East policy is not a regressive policy. It is a friendly policy. It's an extending arm. So three you can rule it out. Now the again MCQs. So this also, if you have read the Cold War lectures or anything, then you could have answered them. Then Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, NP2. So NP2 is when, so first let us understand Geneva Protocol. Geneva Protocol is 2. A2. So there are two options of A2. Then Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, 1968. Then SALT 2, 1972. So 4, I think B. Okay, it has to be B. B or okay, SALT 2. Okay. SALT 1 is 72. SALT 2 is 79. So the option is A, Geneva Protocol 1925. Then Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty in 1968, but came into picture in 1970. Then ABM treaty is 1972. SALT 2. SALT 2 is 1979. So that is how you can understand. Then the match the following. So Machiavelli. So this is also very easy if you have read. So here also Machiavelli means prince, everybody knows. So A3. Then Thucydides. This also we know how international relations started. Peloponnesian War. So B4. Then Morgenthau. So Morgenthau, what politics among nations? This is a famous book. So C2 and Kenneth Walls Theory of International Politics. So option is B. Then arrange the Cold War events chronologically from earliest to the latest. So for you to understand, you in order that you have to know the chronology or the events that have been happened. So here I think I've removed the option. So here the options are, first one is Korean War, 52, Vietnam, Korean War, Suez Canal, then 62, Cuban Missile, then 79, 1979, Soviet intervention. So last option C, then this one is option 2. Then NAM, this also we have read, NAM represented the concerns, interests and aspirations of developing countries. Then it emerged in context of a wave of decolonization. Then India is one of the founding members. NAM supported policy of imperialism. Here you can rule it out very easily. So option B. So relevance of NAM after Cold War ended is being debated. Literally the question has been taken out from the material and they have given it. as such. Then who is the author of the book Engaging India, Diplomacy and Democracy and Bomb? So latestly this has been a question in the cancelled exam NET. So the answer is Strope Talbot, and also read Harshvi Pant's book, see Raja Mohan book and Jaswant Singh books. Then only you can, then only this is makes sense. So